just wondering, do you know anything about music theater workshop?
I don't.
So if you don't, do you mind if I take 1 second to tell you about it?
Which teachers teach this class throughout the year?
I'm the teacher who teaches this class throughout the year.
Lovely. What are some of the activities and projects that you do throughout a trimester?
At the beginning of the trimester, we start using pantomime, so getting to know how to act without using your voice. Then we start focusing in on the voice and on singing, and the next thing we do is select a musical that we want to work on. This can be any musical from the MTI course catalog, and then the class agrees, they audition, and go ahead with it.
Lovely. What kind of person would this class be good for?
It's really good for anyone because every skill is used in theater. Whether you like to draw and paint, whether you like to costume, whether you like to act, sing, or dance, all of these skills are used in musical theater.
What does a typical class period look like?
For a 40-minute class period, generally right now we're in the rehearsal process. So we're putting together our scenes. So we'll be in the NPR and 1 or 2 groups will be working on their choreography, or they might be rehearsing their scenes by themselves, and another group will be up on the stage and we'll run through.
How often is music theater workshop offered in a trimester or across the year?
So far it's been 1 8th grade section and 1 7th grade section, but I have had years where I've had multiple 7th grade sections.
Gotcha. How many kids are in a class?
There can be up to 30 in a class.
What is your favorite project?
My favorite project is probably when we are using the mics, because it takes some time, but when we finally figure it out, it's usually pretty fun, because you can present your voice.
How much creative freedom do you have?
A lot. You can sometimes even change lines if you don't really like to say them or whatever. So I think that's pretty cool that you can do that.
What do you like about this class?
I think it's just a fun way to just see everybody, and it's just a fun class because everybody's singing, everybody's having fun, everybody likes to dance, and I just see it as a fun class to just hang out with your friends or do whatever. It's just fun.